Imagine it's Monday morning. Your manager walks up to your desk and asks, which city should we expand into next? Before you answer, another message arrives. Which customers are about to churn? 5 minutes later, which products are not worth marketing anymore? And before lunch, can you identify our VIP customers and tell me if revenue is growing or declining? Nobody asks analysts to write a for loop. Nobody gets promoted because they know Python syntax. Businesses pay analysts to solve problems and make decisions. In this video, I am going to show you 7 real business problems and how we can solve them using Python and Pandas. Let's get started. Before solving anything, let's understand our data. We have a sales data set containing customer ID, city, product category, order date, and revenue. Think of this as data coming from an e-commerce company. Every row represents a purchase made by a customer. Our goal is not to write fancy Python. Our goal is to help management make better business decisions. Let's start with our first problem. Which city should we expand into? Imagine your company wants to open a new store. The leadership team wants to know which city generates the most revenue. Instead of guessing, we use data. Now we can see first we are grouping by city, then we are calculating total revenue, finally we are sorting from highest to lowest. Now we can clearly see which cities contribute the most revenue. If one city consistently outperforms others, it becomes a strong candidate for expansion. This is how analysts turn raw data into business strategy. Moving into second problem statement, which customers are about to churn? Customer acquisition is expensive. Losing customers hurts revenue. A manager might ask which customers haven't purchased recently. To answer this, we calculate last purchase date, days since last purchase. Here, we are finding the most recent purchase for each customer. Then we calculate how many days have passed since that purchase. Customers with very high inactivity are potential churn risk. These customers could be targeted with coupons, discounts, email campaigns. This analysis directly impacts retention. Moving on to the third problem statement, which product category deserves more marketing budget? Marketing budgets are limited. Management will be asking which categories generates the most revenue. Here, we group by category, calculate the total revenue, then compute each category's percentage contribution. So how the business will interpret this? If electronics contributes 60% of revenue and furniture contributes 15%, management may decide to allocate more budget towards electronics. Data-driven marketing decisions are far better than assumptions. So moving on to the next problem statement, who are our VIP customers? Not all customers are equal. Some customers generate significantly more revenue. So management will be asking you who are our most valuable customers. So here we are calculating total revenue per customer, then using quantiles to identify the top 20%. How the business will be interpreting this is that these VIP customers may receive premium support, exclusive offers, loyalty rewards. Many companies spend enormous effort protecting these relationships. Moving on to the next problem statement. Is the business growing or declining? This is one of the most important questions executives ask. Are we growing? And this is how we solve the problem. Here we are grouping revenue by month, then calculating month over month growth. So here we can see that positive growth means the business is expanding. Negative growth may indicate competition, seasonal effects, marketing issues. This type of analysis appears in almost every executive dashboard. Moving on to the next problem statement, which products should we stop investing in? Every company has products that underperform. So management will be asking which products contribute very little revenue. And here is how we solve this. We are calculating revenue contribution percentages, then identifying low contributing categories. So how will we interpret this output? We can see the furniture is having the lowest contribution. How the business will interpret this? These products might receive less marketing, be redesigned, be removed entirely. This is often called portfolio optimization. The goal is to focus resources where they create the most value. Moving on to the final problem statement of the day. Which customers should receive retention offers? Now let's combine everything. Imagine management says we only have budget to target a few customers who should receive retention offers. This is where analytics become interesting. We are going to create a simple retention score. The score combines revenue contribution, purchase frequency, recency. Customers with higher scores are more valuable and deserve more attention. So how will the business interpret after looking at this result? Instead of randomly sending offers, we prioritize customers based on data. This increases marketing efficiencies and improves ROI. This is very similar to how many real-world targeting systems work. Alright, if you have made this far, I have a bonus challenge for you. Suppose your manager asks which city has the highest average order value. Pause the video, try solving it yourself, write your answers in the comments. In a future video, I will review your solutions and discuss the best approach. Today we have solved 7 real business problems using Python. Notice something important. We didn't spend time memorizing syntax. We focused on solving business questions. That's what analysts do. That's what businesses pay for. And that's what interviewers want to see. If you found this useful, subscribe for more SQL, Python, data analytics, and real business problem solving content. And I have a question for you. If you were the manager, which analysis would be most valuable? Market expansion, customer churn, VIP customers, or retention targeting? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.